Alright guys, this is day 2 of us watching bowling and cheering on our friends.
Woo!
Everyone's on the second page.
Yay, intro!
Woo! Whee! Bowling alley 3, 2, 1, cut.
Are we?
How else are we going to make money today?
We're getting into some NBA betting. That's the only thing we do when we don't make cuts, okay?
That was big hit.
Yeah, he's 10 back of the show.
That keeps
and Belmont had 250, so that keeps him within
keeps him 10 back.
Yeah, well,
20
back, 25 back, but
20.
that was big.
I'm impressed.
Bang. Word
All right, who's going to be the show? Who's going to be the top 5 after the night block?
EJ, Jake's gonna stay.
You
in
think
there.
Jake stays in?
I think Jake stays in. I think that boy Jason Belmonte makes it. Hard to feel like the top 5 is ever going to fall out of the top 5 this year.
Do you think it's going to stay as it is?
I think it may stay as is, not in that order, but I think that's the top 5 that makes it.
What's the order?
The order, EJ first. I think Doherty makes a run to second.
Ooh.
And then Simo, Belmo, Jake. Jake holds on for 5th.
It's gonna be EJ, Simo, Belmo, Jakey Poo, and Doherty. No, I want TJ in there.
Ooh. Who's going to be the show, and what's the order?
EJ.
You just said Simo's gonna catch you.
I didn't know he was 300. That's hard to do in 8 games. EJ, Simo, Doherty, Belmo, Jake.
In that order.
In that order.
And then who wins? Who wins the title?
And then Jake smashes them all.
Yeah!
Yeah! You think he's going to double?
There's a chance.
Yeah, that's 6-2 is no good. So Belmo needs a double to win. Strike 9's a tie.
Down by 30 with 2 shots to go.
It was a tough last 2 frames for EJ. Tough. Tell them what we got.
We got a little spicy.
You're way
action.
too tall. Don't do this when you're near me. Look how
Yeah,
little I look.
hold on.
God.
There we go again.
So we got 4 people in the
3
hunt for 3 spots, all within a hun.
Belmo's at 164, Doherty's at 1308, AJ's at 1205, and Jake Peters is at 1290. Is Tommy Jones anywhere near?
No,
Okay. So it's just 4. It's
we got a
4
ball game.
for 3rd, 4th, and 5th.
we got a ball game.
They're all right in front of us. Simo's way ahead.
Yeah.
Simo's way ahead. 4 people, 3 spots. Yes. Could be a big finish for Belmo here.
Needs it.
Doherty backing up to
getting
Belmo. Peters has separated himself into third, but fourth is right behind him.
And they're bowling right now. They're also bowling each other.
The other two guys are close, but just like a clear step back. And now they're bowling for Jake to hopefully separate himself even more. What I meant was I hope they both bowl a good game. That's what I meant. I hope they both bowl a good game.
If Tommy makes it in, who's out? Is it Belmo or Doherty that's out?
They both have to be out. One of them's out already.
Oh, you're right. I want to see Tommy get there.
I bet Tommy
Bone
shoots
collector.
268 and laps them both.
Ooh, I would love to see that. I'm standing by what I said. Belmo's on a freaking murder spree this year. He's going to make the show. He's going to run the ladder. He's going to win another one.
So right now it's Belmo.
I wanna see Tommy.
Right now it's Belmo, Tommy, and Tom
Doherty.
Doherty.
They're all within 20 of each other. No one else is close for the show, so someone needs to pop off a big one between those three because
It's going to be a wild last game.
Tom and Jason are bowling, so Tommy's bowling someone different as the 8th seed. Belmo needs a mark in the 10th to lock out Tommy Jones, but if he doesn't, hey guys, I'm talking. Hey everyone. If he doesn't mark in the 10th, Tommy needs all of them in the 10th.